Hello and welcome guys to Reception. This video is all about the ICSE Class 10 2022 Semester 2 Reduced Syllabus for Mathematics. This video can be quite important for you because over here you will understand what are the chapters that are there in the syllabus and what are the topics that have been removed from the syllabus. So make sure that you watch this video till the end, and if you like it, do hit the thumbs up button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel Eduception. Also hit the bell icon to get notified of all our videos. Without further ado, let's begin. The ICSE 2022 Semester 2 Reduced Syllabus for Mathematics. Guys, the first chapter in the syllabus is Reflection, and there is no reduction from reflection. The second chapter is Section Formula, and from Section Formula there is no reduction. The third chapter is Equation of Straight Line, and from this chapter also there is no reduction, like it is written over here. Coming to chapter 4, which is Circles. Now from the chapter Circles, everything is present except the proofs of all the theorems. So for the chapter Circles, proofs of all the theorems have been removed. You don't have to study any proof of any theorem in that particular chapter. Moving on to chapter 5, which is Mensuration. In mensuration, everything is present except sphere and hemisphere. So for the chapter Mensuration, that is areas and volumes of 3D solids, sphere and hemisphere has been removed. Moving on to the next chapter, which is chapter 6, Trigonometry. In trigonometry, there is no reduction. The entire chapter is present. Next chapter, Heights and Distances. Over here also there is no reduction. The entire chapter of heights and distances is present. Moving on, 8, Measure of Central Tendency, that is statistics. Now guys, in Measure of Central Tendency, all the topics are present in the syllabus. Only one change is there, which is firstly you had to calculate mean by all the three methods: direct, shortcut and step deviation. Now you can calculate mean by any one of the methods, that is either direct or shortcut or step deviation. Only a slight change. The final chapter is probability, and there is no reduction in probability. So guys, you can take a screenshot of this. This will be very helpful to understand the reduced syllabus for semester 2 mathematics exam. Now guys, let me tell you over here that Eduception has covered all these chapters. What I'll do is I'll make a playlist for all these particular chapters and put it in the description box below. You can check that playlist out. I'm sure that it will be very helpful. Now from these chapters, I feel you will face a little bit of problems in Equation of Straight Line, Circles and Trigonometry, because in these three chapters you have to use a lot of concepts to solve the sums. So let me tell you right over here that please try to focus more on Equation of Straight Line, Circles and Trigonometry, because I have seen from a past few years that students face a lot of problems in these three chapters. So guys, take particularly good care of Equation of Straight Line, Circles and Trigonometry. Rest all the chapters are pretty much very simple, and looking at this particular syllabus, I can tell you that you can easily score full marks in the semester 2 examination for mathematics. Now, जैसा कि मैंने बोला है, ये सारे चैप्टर्स हम लोगों ने कवर करके रखे हुए हैं. मैं एक प्लेलिस्ट बना के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगा. प्लीज चेक दैट प्लेलिस्ट आउट. इट विल श्योरली बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. नाउ until the next video, this is Rishi on behalf of Eduception signing off, and guys, take care.